It has 645 horsepower, a manual transmission, and more wings than an air show. This is the legendary, brutal 2016 Dodge Viper ACR. Setting lap records requires a mix of power, downforce, and brakes. Everything on this car is huge. The 8.4-liter V10 engine, the tires, the louvers, the vents. The rear wing is over 6 feet wide, and you could roller skate on the front splitter. At speed, they produce over 1,700 pounds of downforce. The formula worked. By 2016, it had the lap record at 13 US tracks, more than any other production car.